Hello there, lovelies! It's me, Dani, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video is I'm going to do my school makeup routine for this year. And if you're interested, then just keep on watching. For the first step is skincare, okay? Before ang lahat is skincare muna dahil kailangan na natin ng clear skin, yes. For my first step is naglalagay muna ako ng aking gel, anti-acne gel. This is from Epiduo. Ayan. So, ilalagay ko lang siya sa face ko. Like, maglalagay ko lang pea-size dito sa aking finger. And then, I will spread it sa aking buong face. So, yan, ganyan lang siya karami. And then, ilalagay mo lang siya sa buong face mo. Kasi, ito daw kasi natatanggal niya yung mga acne scars. I mean, parang nalalighten niya yung acne scars na meron ka. So, and sobrang effective niya for me. Kasi nalalighten niya talaga. And then, gently massage your face. Gently lang, don't be harsh. After niya mag-dry is I'm going to use a sunblock or sunscreen. This is from QUICKFX. Sobrang mura lang niya. Ano lang to, 100 pesos. I mean, 99 pesos. I got this from Watsons. Kasi ito, meron siyang SPF 50. So, it's really nice kasi lumalabas tayo, na-expose tayo sa sun. So, dapat talaga inaalagaan natin yung face natin kasi magsisisi tayo pag hindi natin inalagaan, I swear. So, maglalagay lang ako ng ample amount sa ating finger and then spread it sa buong face ko. Syempre, don't forget your neck. Kaya gumagamit kasi ako, before ko gawin yung full makeup ko is I'm going to use this Vaseline Lip Therapy in Rosy Lips because it will help you prep your lips. Kung ano man yung gagawin mo sa lips mo. Minsan kasi yung mga ginagamit natin products is nade-dry niya yung lips natin. And this one, it will help it moisturize. Okay? So, maglalagay ako ng tamang amount sa aking lips. And maganda dito kasi minsan may tingling effect siya. Parang cooling effect. Ganun yung nararamdaman ko minsan. And it's super nice. Hindi naman siya sobrang sakit. Like, ang tama lang. After that is, dito na tayo sa ating makeup routine, which is, ang una natin gagawin is yung for our base product, ang gagamitin natin is this Maybelline Super BB Cream. This one, kaya ko rin to nagustuhan is, meron din kasi siyang SPF 24, meron siyang protection from the sun, ayan. And at the same time, binibigyan kanya ng coverage, right? So, tamang amount lang din yung nilagay ko. Parang pea size yung amount na nilagay ko sa face ko. And this one pala is in the shade Natural Beige. Actually, mas darker pa talaga yung color ko dapat. Kaso nga, dahil nga sa acidic ako is kailangan one shade lighter yung gagamitin ko. Kasi nga, umiitim siya sa face. And then, I'll just blend it using my fingers. Hindi na ako gumagamit ng beauty blender. Kasi, like, syempre pag umaga, dali-dali tayo. Like, I mean, parang nagmamadali na tayo. So, kamay-kamay na lang. Just make sure na malinis yung kamay nyo. Syempre, if it's already blended, we can now move on to our kilay, which is, ang gagawin product is the Etude House Drawing Eyebrow. Ayan. After ng aking kilay is, nandito na tayo sa ating cheeks. For my cheeks is I'm going to use this lip and cheek organic tint from the Mix and Match in the shade Sexy Rose. Ayan. Ang gusto ko dito kasi ang fresh lang ng binibigay niya sa aking vibe. Like, yun talaga yun. Tapos organic pa siya. All natural yun. So, you don't have to worry kung baka magkaroon ka ng allergic reactions, mga ganyan-ganyan. Tapos ito pa is, hindi ako natatakot ilagay directly sa cheeks ko kasi hindi siya talaga nagbibigay ng yung alam mo yung kapag nilagay mo siya dun sa part na yon, yung mag-iwan talaga siya ng ganung stain. It's very blendable. Kita niyo naman yung ano agad, parang walang dot na natira doon kasi blendable siya. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set yung face ko using this Johnson's baby powder. Ayan, baby powder lang yung ginagamit ko. Hindi ako gumagamit ng pressed powders kasi or mga loose powders kasi ewan ko. Parang feeling ko mas magaan kasi sa face yung baby powder kaysa sa mga ganung products. So, ito na lang ginagamit ko to set my face. After setting the face is naglalagay ako ng mascara sa aking eyelashes. The product that I'm going to use is the Maybelline the Hyper Curl Volume Express. This one is waterproof. Nagtataka kayo bakit hindi ako nag-eyelash curler kasi hindi pa ako masyado marunong gumamit noon and baka masira ko lang yung eyelashes ko. So, diba? Wag na lang natin gamitin, baka masira ko pa. For the meantime is gagamit muna ako ng mascara. After the mascara is nasa lip part na tayo, which is ang gagamitin ko dito is the Mix and Match 2-in-1 Tinted Cream Balm and Blush, which is in the shade Dates. And what I like about this product is it is moisturizing, hindi siya nakaka-dry sa lips dahil nga meron siyang argan oil and sunflower oil. So, this is the finished look. Ayan. Sobrang fresh lang niya and sobrang daling gawin. Tsaka yung products na ginamit ko is murang-mura lang siya. Abot kaya siya ng lahat ng students. So, don't worry is I'm going to post or lalagay ko sa description box below yung mga products na ginamit ko and how much it cost me.
What we do here is go back.
That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell button to get notified whenever I post a new video. So, may your day be as beautiful as you are, and this is Dani